Well, Mama Girl seems to be tough. Um, she does look a little better today. And she's eating better. Her hair's looking a lot better. She's looking more alive. She is lethargic because she is confined to her house for the moment until we can get better grips on what's going on with her. And also for her protection, so she could feel comfortable and safe. She does appear to be passing her bowels and urinating. I keep changing her blankets in here so she's not constantly being exposed on her surgery. They did say her surgery is making a good healing progress, so that's a good sign. And well, as you can see, she's really stuffing her face. She has food in here 24/7. She has a steady flow of fresh water. I'm staying on top of this little girl. So I'm going to turn this light on so we can get a good look in here. And she is using the litter pan. That is awesome. She's getting in there, going to the bathroom. So that's good. And you can see her food. And there's her water dish. And well, you can see her better here. So as you can see, she's coming along. She was weighed in at 4 pounds. I'll turn that light off so I don't blind her. But I'll let you guys sit here and watch her eat. It's okay, baby. You guys can eat your food. She seems to be more energetic and more interested in eating. Seems like we might have the right regimen. I have also added just a very, let me turn the light on so y'all can see, a very mild dose of this. I mean, it's very, very mild, because it does have turmeric in it, and that can cause stomach irritation, but it's got other benefits in it that increases the immune system along with the medicines she's getting. This is more or less like a vitamin supplement that she's receiving. It's what I gave my senior cat that had cancer, and it seemed like she was benefiting from it. So I wanted to make sure this little mama gets it also, so she can get the vitamins that she was missing out on. And it does have the olive leaf extract, which is very beneficial for immune system. So I've been doing a lot of research, and my back is really killing me today. So I'm gonna let you guys watch her. It's okay, baby girls. Nobody's gonna hurt you, honey. There you go. I'll let you guys watch her, keep an eye on her, and I'm gonna look on the other side here. I wish this thing had a side door. Make it a lot easier to reach in. Makes you come all the way from the front entrance. Alright, so good news. We are actually using the litter pan. We got some poopy and we got some pee-pee in there. Awesome. She is actually becoming litter trained. Cool. Someone get that out of there so she don't have to smell that. We got her new pooper scooper yesterday, so I got one out there and one in here. Cause I got 3 other cats. So yeah, awesome. She's not only starting to feel better, but she's actually a real smart little mama. Ain't that right, baby girls? Say, I'm not stupid. Ain't that right, baby girls? Yeah, her's a good girl. And she's starting to enjoy being petted on. She's not quite stable on her feet, but she seems to enjoy being petted on. She's getting used to it. She actually encourages it. Ain't that right, baby girls? Yeah, it's a good girls. She's starting to like her scratches. Yeah, ain't that right, mamas? You eat your food. It's a good girls. This ain't for you. This is to clean out your litty. Yeah, clean out your litty. It's a good girl. It's alright. It's alright. It's a good girl. Yeah, it's a good girl. It's alright. It's alright, mamas. I should have went up and over. There we go. Okay, so awesome news. Awesome news. And I don't see anything in there that ain't supposed to be in there. So that's another good sign. But then again, I don't have a magnifying glass, but I'm not seeing squigglies, which I'm very highly paranoid of. She put a lot in there. That's a good girl. She is such a good girl. Let's go pee your little pee. Okay. That's a good girl. I'll put it over here. There we go. That's alright. That's a good girl. Yeah, she's a smart girl. Yeah, such a smart girl. Such a good girl. Let's turn it around. There we go. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah, she's doing a good job. Ain't that right, mamas? Yeah, she's doing a good job. Such a good girl. Yeah. That's a good babies. Here we go. Hey, mamas. Who's a good girl? Yeah, who's a good girl? That's good babies. Yeah, she's definitely breathing better. It's okay, honey. See your food? I'll put this down here, okay? It's alright. I'll go put this right here. See, there's your food. Well, you have food all the time. And there's your water, but you're not drinking. Not drinking much, baby. Yeah, you're not drinking much. It's alright. All right, that's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. That's good babies. Yeah, that's good babies. Good babies. Yeah, good babies. Good babies. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Let's fix your pillow. There you go. There you go, honey. I'll fix your pillow for you. And we can rest your head. That's a good girl. Yeah. That's a good girl. Okay, you go ahead and rest, baby girls. That's a good mamas. You look like you're feeling better today. Yeah, you're feeling better today. Feeling more revived, ain't you? Looks like we might be on track. That's a good girl. I'll let you get your rest. There you go. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna let you all go. Let her get some sleep. I want her to be able to reserve some energy. But when she starts showing more signs of improvement, then I'm going to start letting her out. Let her get some exercise. So, thank you all for coming in and checking her out and making sure the baby girl is still going good. Thank you all for helping us. Appreciate it.